Uncle Dolan, we are hungry. Please order pizza for us.
Ok.
After some time later.
Here is pizza Dolan. Pay now please.
No.
If you don't pay for pizza, he will call the police cops. You will go to jail.
Okay, bye. Tupu, hupu, lupu. Pizza is here.
Thanks very much, Uncle. We are very hungry.
Everything went better with penny stoppings. Regards, Dolan.